Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be making something very cute but also very simple. We're going to make bow keychain. So we're gonna start with a slip knot. We're gonna wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're gonna put the hook under the first one and then hook over into the second one. Let go of the fingers and just pull on both sides. Then we're gonna continue with chains. We're gonna make 27 chains. We're gonna skip the first chain and we're gonna start from the second chain. On the second chain, we're gonna make a slip stitch. And on the next stitch, we're gonna make a single crochet. So we're gonna insert the hook into the chain. We're gonna yarn over and pull the yarn out. We're gonna yarn over again and pull through all the loops. That's a single crochet, and on the next chain, we're gonna make a half double crochet. So we're gonna wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the chain. We're gonna yarn over and pull the yarn out. There will be 3 loops on your hook. We're gonna yarn over and pull through all the loops. That's a half double crochet, and next we're gonna make a double crochet. Double crochet is similar to half double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the chain, yarn over and bring the yarn out. There will be 3 loops on your hook. We're gonna yarn over and pull through the first and the second loop, yarn over again and pull through the rest of the loops. That's a double crochet. Since we need 7 double crochet, we're gonna make 6 more. That's 7 double crochet. And then on the next one, we're gonna make a half double crochet. On the next one, we're gonna make a single crochet. And then a slip stitch on the next chain. This is what it's gonna look like so far, and basically we're just gonna repeat the same pattern. So we're gonna start with a slip stitch, and then we're gonna make a single crochet on the next chain. Continue with a half double crochet. Then we're gonna continue with 7 double crochet. When you're done, there should be 3 chains left. So we're gonna continue with a half double crochet, a single crochet on the next chain, and then on the last chain we're gonna make a slip stitch. So this is what it's gonna look like so far, and we're gonna move to the other side of the chain. So on the last stitch that we made the slip stitch, we're gonna make another slip stitch. Then we're gonna move to the other side of the chain, and we're gonna start with a single crochet. On the next one, we're gonna make a half double crochet. Then we're gonna continue with 7 double crochet. When you're done making 7 double crochet, we're gonna continue with a half double crochet on the next chain. Then we're gonna make a single crochet. And then slip stitch on the next chain. So we're just gonna repeat the pattern. We're gonna start with a slip stitch, continue with a single crochet, a half double crochet on the next chain, and then continue with 7 double crochet. There should be 3 chains left, and we're gonna continue with a half double crochet. a single crochet on the next chain, then slip stitch for the last chain. So this is what it's gonna look like when you're done. And we're gonna cut the yarn off, but we're gonna leave a long tail for sewing. And for the lower part of the bow, we're just gonna start with a slip knot. Then we're gonna continue with 21 chains. We're gonna skip the first chain and start from the second one. On the second chain, we're gonna make a slip stitch. Then on the next one, we're gonna make a single crochet, a half double crochet on the next chain. Then we're gonna continue with 14 double crochet. When you're done, there should be 3 chains left. We're gonna continue with half double crochet, a single crochet on the next chain, then finish with a slip stitch. We're just gonna cut the yarn short. We're gonna tie the yarn together and we're just gonna weave in the ends. To make the bow, we're gonna fold it into half. It's gonna look like this. And first, we're just gonna stitch the 2 edges together. Then we're gonna grab the lower part of the bow and then we're gonna stitch it behind. When you're done, then we have to kind of fold it into a letter V. So I'm gonna start with one side first. Then moving on to stitching the other side. When you're done stitching the lower part of the bow, we're just gonna wrap the yarn around the bow for about 5 to 6 times. Remember to pull it really tight. Then we're gonna hide the excess yarn. cut the excess yarn, and that's it guys, you're done making the bow. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!